what's good? So today's the big day. We should get the s2k tune. We're gonna get an email based tune here in a minute. Right now I'm working on installing some spark plugs. That was one thing we actually forgot that we needed. So when you go force inductions, like typically you wanna have a smaller gap on your spark plugs. And we went online to the forums and they actually recommended these plugs. We went to multiple forums and the plugs are, that's the part number right there. So if you're supercharging it, those are the recommended plugs. Yeah, so the old spark plugs are 0.040, that's their gap, and then the new ones are 0.030. So it closes the gap a little bit, which is really good. On the forums it says like 0.18 to like 0.28, but other people are saying 0.30 to 0.32. So if they're 0.30, I didn't mess with the gap, that's what they came at. So yeah, they're installed and Coloma's here. So we're just waiting on the tuner. Right now, Coloma's getting the base map at the moment.
Yeah, the tuner is actually controlling everything, so.
Oh shit.
Yep.
That's dope as fuck.
Yeah, it's actually pretty sick.
You ready, bro?
Yeah, well, hopefully he'll tell us to start it up soon. But look, they just working his magic.
We still gotta bleed this Pro Charger, so we can't leave it on for too long. First startup, here we go. There it is, leaking. I'm gonna close it. Get the wrench on it. Oh shit! Did I leave it on?
Yeah.
It already bled through the other side, so it's good. Dude, we're about to go for a drive. The tuner is just adjusting things on the fly while it's on. Loading and doing so. Oh my gosh, bro. All that hard work. So it's 2 days after that clip that you guys just saw, and basically what ended up happening is that the tuner was having a hard time trying to read the AFR. The gauge was reading different from what the computer was saying. So he said it was a voltage issue. And what we did since then was he told us to re-gap the spark plugs to, we have it to 0.25. We also swapped the AEM O2 sensor to the headers, and we put the catalytic converter one back in. He doesn't have a catalytic converter, he has a test pipe. And then we checked the voltage for the gauge, and it's reading 12 volts. And it's connected to the right pin. It's on C16 of the wiring harness for the AEM Series 2. And so we were just hoping that the reason why it wasn't able to read properly was because of the fact that on the forums it was saying that when people do this splice or they repin it, typically you put the O2 sensor for the wideband in the headers. So we will see if that's going to be the issue. Coloma's on his way right now. He should be here any minute. And we're going to hopefully get a good bass tune so that we can start tuning it. If worse comes to worse, there's a tuner that's an hour and a half away, and they don't need the AFR gauge to tune the car. They have their own, you know, they just connect, they plug it to the tailpipe, and then they go based off that, and then they adjust the tune and everything. So that's gonna be the worst case scenario. So the car is gonna get tuned regardless, now whether it's now or then. Because if he doesn't do it then, he won't get it till for another 2 weeks. I'm not sure, I don't remember the date. It's really windy, but Coloma's here. We got the car outside. So we realized that the reason why it's not getting good voltage is because we need to pin the brown wire on the AEM gauge to that's D9 right there. So it's kind of don't know if you can see it, you can just count the pins and then you can figure it out. But the brown wire on the AM gauge is gonna go to that. That's the reason why we've been getting bad voltage. Well, at least we hope. That's what the tuner said. Oh shit, we're going for the first drive.
Driving, baby.
It's exciting. And tuner's still connected to the computer, so he's just reading it. We're gonna do the third gear pull on the freeway. Luckily, the freeway is like right in front of my house.
He said to just drive around for now. So.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, so we're just gonna drive around for now.
Doing a third gear pull?
Yep.
Really windy, but we're about to do a fucking pull at 40 roll. So we just finished with our first session of the bass tuning. We're gonna install the boost gauge, and we gotta get an O-ring from Honda.
I gotta send him his money. That boy's a cool dude, man.
Super cool. You want to shout him out?
Yeah. Hit up AP1 Chief. He's tuned s2000, bro. He's a god, and his Instagram has one bad s2k. So just look him up.
All right, so it's good. We have a base map in it right now, so all we're gonna wait for is the O-ring from Honda, and then we're going to have we're gonna fine tune it tomorrow. So it's all done. I mean, I don't know what else to say. What do you have to say, Coloma?
It's fucking awesome. Kraftwerks. Shout out to Kraftwerks, man.
Shout out to Kraftwerks. It's a really nice kit. So if you guys enjoyed that video and any of this 4-part series of this build, leave a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned because there's going to be more content coming. I'm planning on making like 1 or 2 videos a week. As of right now, I have a couple videos planned, so you guys just stay tuned. I might drop some like shorts of like a couple of races, so just stay tuned for all of that, and thank you guys for watching.